Akwaba, at this very point, be very sure say we prepare a bootable USB drive. Say unim kwan be fast wire na ohwe description box mu a me video link no e wo ho no ubetimi ayi so. Na afi wa insert your pen drive no, uwie a na wa power machine apa na wa press F12. So we use Dell machine a HP nso a we press escape. Na options ne ba what you choose F9 and also we press F9 straight abra machine no a power up. So we no a do we ba options a we access use arrow keys no up and down no. Now we navigate to open drive no. We hit enter. Afi be booty from open drive no na installation process no ahya no. I have say no betimi SSL language no say opa but me major ni default na wa click next. Now click on install now. It's a so be enter product key no say idea a prompt wa. Now click next. You be accept the terms and conditions no. Then you click on next. Now choose custom. It's at this point no we be who available drives no. Enti say uni bibia wo so a opɛ sɛ keep wo so a just delete the drives. After you delete we be fresh then you click on new. No click on apply. After so aha no so opɛ sɛ wo partition a aha say no na wo no. We are now what you see drive now opɛ sɛ wo installation no was no. No click next. Ade a edru ha say na ebetumi a check kakra depending on machine speed no any or drive no. Eti me cut so said e be ya video no enkonkoye tenten. Eti installation ni we a be restart machine no. We boot from or drive no. Now a continue installation process no. Idea at this point no or machine betimi a restart be once or twice. Eti normal in case sa happen na. I no person connected to Wi-Fi a obetumi connect but me major I no must skip it for now. No click on use express settings. And after no we type username for the machine. Now after so person use password and so I set a password but me no major no empty. So ebetumi take time kakra depending on or machine no. Okay, great. Yeah, we Windows 10 installation. Enti medase pass unya amre ehwe ye, but more so be subscribe to this channel. Now I like video no amame.